Hi everyone, in this video we will take a look at the demo for the MCP integration in Github Copilot CLI. In last lecture we saw about the theoretical part of this MCP integration. Now in this we will see the actual demo of it. So basically just for the demo purpose I will show you how to integrate the Sentry MCP server into your Github Copilot CLI. So Sentry is not you might be aware about Sentry. It is nothing but like for all your applications you can integrate Sentry for the observability. Like you can basically send some kind of error events, or if in case of any exception comes, you can basically send such metrics or such events to the Sentry account, and then basically you can analyze like what are the breach metrics, what are some warnings, or what are some errors and outages on your production systems. As you know, like observability is very important for all of your applications, and Sentry provides a way to provide this observability. So what I have done is just created a new sample project, and so for example you can see from here around my settings. So this is the project that I have created, and currently as we are taking an example of Java project, so I created a Java project over here, and that's it. Now what we will do is currently inside our calculator program, so whenever someone will give the operator outside these four, the default case we are just printing the error message. But now let's instead of this, let's send an event to Sentry from our Java application, and after that we will see like how you can integrate the Sentry MCP server into Github Copilot CLI. So for this as well, to wrap this around the try catch block, and then in the catch block basically sending the information or the sending the events to Sentry account. What we will do is to make this code change as well, we will make a use of Copilot CLI. And like to add the Sentry SDK, basically this when you create a new project on Sentry, it will already provide you all the relevant information how you can integrate the Sentry SDK into your code. But rather than doing this manually, we will see how you can efficiently use Github Copilot CLI for the same. So I will start a new Copilot session over here, and then now let's ask it to wrap this around the try catch block. So basically I want to integrate integrate this project with Sentry. Also make a change to wrap around try catch, and in case of default case throw exception, and in catch block we will send an event to Sentry. Now it will integrate the SDK. As we don't have any build system as of now, it will basically do it. So let's ask him to add the Gradle dependency. So it added. And now as you can see, it also basically wrapped our code with try catch block, and in the catch block it is capturing the exception. And now it will try to run it, but as basically you can imagine, like we have added this as a new Gradle dependency, and now it will also have to change the project structure and this run.sh command to use Gradle. So like in iteratively it will come to that conclusion. So see, now it understood, like it needs to use the Gradle command, Gradle build command. Let's ask it to update the run.sh as well. Let me manually give him instruction to update run.sh and start using Gradle build and Gradle run. It should update the run command basically. Yeah, so it now correctly moved the required things inside a new like src main folders. One thing is missing over here is that if you take a look at this, we haven't provided our project DNS as of now, and as you can see, it will give us the instruction that we need to replace that. Now what you can do is basically go to our project settings, and here you will be able to find the client keys for that, and I will use mine and replace this DNS, Sentry DNS over here, and then I will again instruct the Copilot. I have updated to proceed. Now it will try running the application, and it is complete, and as you can see, it is throwing the error, and it is sending that error to Sentry. Now we will go to our dashboard. And let's see the errors. Oh. from over here, let's go to feed. Yeah, and as you can see, there is a no such element exception, which is the event that we got on the Sentry. Now what we will do is basically add an MCP server in GitHub Copilot CLI itself, so that we will be able to look into like how you can integrate the MCP servers over here. So as we saw, we have to use MCP add command, and it will ask the unique name for this MCP server. So let me give Sentry as a name. Then I will press a tab. I have to choose a server type. So server type for this is HTTP. So I will press 3. Now it is asking us the remote MCP server URL, and I mean the Sentry has already published this MCP server, and you can check from its documentation as well. And basically the URL for the Sentry's MCP server is https mcp.sentry.dev/mcp. You don't need any headers, and we want to include all the tools. So I will press Ctrl S over here to save this, and as you can see, it will ask you to authenticate to Sentry. So I will press enter to authenticate, and over here I will approve the authentication, and then after going back, as you can see, now you can start using Sentry MCP server from GitHub Copilot CLI. Let me close this view. I will also show you other commands like MCP show. It will show you all the MCP servers that are there locally. So this is Sentry, this Sentry server we just added just now, and the GitHub MCP server is pre-built, like it comes as a built-in MCP server for us. And as you can see, like both of these configurations, they are added in our .copilot folder. There is mcp-config.json file. In that the configuration for both of these MCP servers is added. Okay, so now what we can do is give a prompt. Basically I will give some prompt related to Sentry, and we will see how GitHub Copilot CLI correctly triggers the Sentry's MCP server. And as we saw from the diagram, it will fetch, it will talk to Sentry using the model context protocol and give the required information of our issues. So I will just say explain the error, the latest issue, and suggest a fix. Now as you can see, it is making a call to our Sentry's MCP server. It found the project Amit-Bhave. Now it will use the tools, so it is using the search issues, and it will get the issue details. And basically it will make another tool call for analyze issue with SEER, and basically analyze that issue and suggest us some fix. And basically, as you can see, this MCP provides you a way to interact with multiple applications, and it is so convenient to do this from inside your terminal itself. As you can see, it also it gave the details about what is the issue, and it can suggest us the fix as well. And basically this is just the demo for the Sentry's MCP server, but as you know, like, there are multiple MCP servers already there in public from different organizations. Like Google has its own MCP servers, which has like, using which you can integrate with all the Google ecosystem. And similarly is the similar are the things with multiple organizations, and using these basically you just need to find the details about the MCP server, and then you can configure that using MCP add command, and then you can use that inside your GitHub Copilot CLI.